But he's like, drink green tea with honey. And I was like, do I have to drink it out of your hands? He was very cute. He was really cute. I remember after that that appointment, I texted all my friends and I was like, oh my God. Because we're all like all under the same like because it's like a big one. It's like the Palo Alto Medical Center. And I was like, oh my God, I just went to this location because they were the only ones that were able to see me. And I got this doctor and he's hot. And then like somebody else was like, yeah, I got him once too and he's hot. It was like a big
Okay.
old thread of like how hot this doctor was.
Okay,
But
doctor.